journey to the MLS, like we had a tournament in Ghana, a youth tournament, and a lot of scouts were there. So after the tournament, I spoke to one of the Vancouver Whitecaps scouts, and they asked me if I would like to join Vancouver Whitecaps, but I said I don't know nothing about Vancouver. So they gave me a CD, DVD to look at the CD. So after I talked to them, I said, hey, I would like to come. From where I started and from where I am right now, I can see myself as a pro because of the level, the tempo of the game that I'm playing right now when I compare to where I used to play. First of all, I would say God, and also my manager who is in Ghana. He's been the biggest mentor in my career. Against San Jose, I think 2 months ago, because they were on the top of the league and we played against them, which I scored. I choose Real Madrid. I would like to play the Men's World Cup final and the Champions League final. LA. LA Galaxy. They have the huge fans in the league.